Me, Della, Ibu Dwi Daumawati, and Pak Fadli from Group A will present our class project, Application of Blue Ocean Strategy, the case of pre- and postnatal yoga business. Our presentation flow tonight, one is introduction, second is literature review, third, research method, and fourth, the result and discussion. Actually, we haven't finished all the result yet, but we have some insight from the survey and in-depth interview. Okay, the introduction. The business situation has become challenging and unpredictable based on Porter 1996. The phenomenon of globalization also reduced the trade barriers across countries, and consequently, information of product and price turns out to be immediately and globally available. Currently, the competition of yoga, both online and offline class providers from local and international, is available in the market. So, to fight the competition is not enough anymore. Business such as yoga class provider have to do the revolution to outstrip competitors, to make them irrelevant by possibly developing and implementing a value innovation strategy. In this regard, our study case is Health, Labor and Birth Support, which is my own tiny baby company with the value proposition as healthy pregnancy, mindful childbirth, and parenting. So the business provide the pre and postnatal yoga service. First, with current condition, pandemic situation, and digital transformation era, the business need an agile mindset to compete in the uncontested market. As the beginning, we have an internal analysis, between the business owners using the 5 forces analysis of labor and birth support, or we call it here LBS, yeah. The bargaining power of supplier, in here suppliers yoga teacher is very low because there is so many yoga teacher in Indonesia. The bargaining power of buyers, which mean in relation with the many yoga class available, the package, the style or the location. So currently, buyers have a high bargaining power. About the threat of new entrants, in this case, we have also high threat of new entrant because it's really easy to be it's relatively easy to be yoga teacher, especially prenatal and postnatal. Only have a short course, 85 hours. You can have or become a certified prenatal and postnatal yoga teacher, while there is still no regulation of become how or to become a yoga teacher. So the threat of new entrants is really high in current market. The threat of substitutes, we call it moderate because sometimes the prenatal yoga also compete with another pregnancy fitness or pregnancy pilates. So the threat of the threat of substitute is there somehow moderate. Competitive rivalry in the market absolutely high because in Indonesia we have so many teachers, studios, and yoga styles happening in Indonesia currently. The purpose of the study, the study aims to answer two main objectives as follows. First, to explore the new business model innovation using both Blue Ocean Strategy framework in the yoga business to investigate the acceptance and attractiveness of the new business strategy of LBS to the existing and potential customers. Literature review. We are using tools, business model canvas, sorry for the typo, it's business model canvas, BMC. It's developed by Osterwalders and Pickner that describe the business plan model in one illustrative document of several components. We have 9 components or 9 blocks in BMC. So the design is enable the business owners visually elaborate and formulate elements in the business component. This is the business model canvas, include 9 blocks: customer segment, value proposition, customer relationship, channel, key activities, key resource, key partners, revenue streams, and cost structures. Blue Ocean Strategy. For the framework, we use Blue Ocean Strategy, which is innovation with value, create value for the buyer and the business, and the main point of Blue Ocean Strategy is creating new demand. We talk about the Blue Ocean Strategy, whereas Blue Ocean Strategy is another ocean that the business to enter, entering the outside market or outside current market, which is the red ocean market, the bloody market within high competition. So Blue Ocean Strategy is there to create uncontested market space, making the competition irrelevant, create and capture new demand, break the cost-benefit trade-off, and align the whole system of the company's activities in pursuit of both differentiation and low cost. In Blue Ocean Strategy, there are 5 items that used to create a new value curve. First, eliminate, reduce, rise, and create. Eliminating here is what factor that industry or the business has long compete on should be and eliminated. Reduce, which factors should be reduced well below the industry standard, and raise, which factors should be raised well above industry standard, and create, which factors should be created that the industry has never offered. So for the next research method will be presented by Ibu Dwi Damawati. Are you ready, Ibu Dwi? Okay.
Yes, I will continue with chapter 3. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. For the research method, we will use a mixed method approach consisting with qualitative and quantitative methodology. Next slide, please.
Sorry, but Dela, you can slideshow the slide. Now you stop the slideshow.
Slideshow.
Slideshow, Mbak Dela.
Nah, itu yang di bawahnya itu.
Sebelahnya, Mbak. Oops.
No.
Slideshow, Mbak Dela. As per what you are doing at the beginning. Just slideshow. F5, Mbak Dela. Yeah.
Next slide. Yes. Yeah. The first stage, we do a qualitative research to the stakeholder, which consists of the LBS owner itself and also another 2 yoga business owner as a competitor interview. We conduct the interview in an online platform with the unstructured interview, trying to understand the current business situation and also their market or their customer situation. The second stage, we use self-administered questionnaire using Google Form. We distribute the questionnaire or survey, also utilizing the digital technology. We spread it or we share it through WhatsApp group and also personal chat to the potential and existing customer. So actually, next slide, please. Okay, the flow of our research study in this paper is as shown in this diagram. First, we do the market and business observation, which is already explained in the introduction section. We also conduct the framework analysis using the 5 quarters framework. And then we also learn from the previous research study, which is the journal, scientific journal, and also another competitor website. Next, we do the internal analysis, which is to study the current business model of LBS. And then we use a theoretical framework in this study. We use Blue Ocean strategy and also business model canvas. The research method, as I have already mentioned, we employ mixed method, qualitative and quantitative. The data analysis, we use a descriptive statistic analysis combined with a manual analysis for the qualitative data using a content analysis data done by our own internal team. Then we move to the analysis of business innovation model using Blue Ocean strategy framework, which is to offer the new Blue Ocean strategy after we conduct the survey, which is we will find out which factor or attribute to be erased to create, increase, and even reduce. Then the result of this paper, we will come up with the new business model canvas for LBS next strategy. Next slide, please. This is a glimpse of our result and discussion from the our study. This is not the final yet. We try to give the overview. From the interview with the business owner, we learned that the existing business model canvas for LBS is as shown in this table. So the current, wait. Yes, aside from learning from the business owner LBS, we also, as I mentioned before, we also interview the competitor business owner. From that, from the insight from competitor, we clearly learn about what is the need and wants of their current customer, and also what is their pain point. We try to incorporate these findings, and also with this existing business model canvas, we try to define what is the potential new business strategy for LBS. Next slide. Then we find out a few points about. From the interview, we find out about the next opportunity for a new strategy for LBS, which is offering a digital application service for the yoga LBS. Next, also providing the teleconsultation available for 24 hours and 7 days a week. The next one is also offering the new quick and fast response for the consumer through the mobile application. How then we try to make this business strategy concept, try to test it to the consumer side, whether our new strategy is appealing enough for them, and how they would accept this idea and whether this is relevant to their needs or not. And these diagrams is the result from our quantitative survey, which is the first we try to test the first point. Ya, belum deh. Pertama konsep. Yes, first we try to change the value proposition concept initially in English, but now we try to test it using Bahasa. Turns out that the result is more acceptable in using Bahasa instead of English version. As you can see here, the perception of acceptance and attractiveness is very high, 67.8% of our consumer, both pregnant and postnatal women perceive. Next slide. The result from the next strategy about digital application. It shows that from this diagram, the acceptance and the appeal factor is quite high, we can say, for our current and potential customer. Next slide. Also, for the fast and quick response from the yoga consultant or teacher, it's also very attractive and becomes so important for this consumer for yoga class.
1 more minute.
Yes, Pak. Next, the teleconsultation is also very appealing for our consumer. Next, hence this indicates that this gives us an indication that our new proposed business strategy is having a positive response from the current and potential customer. However, with notes that this is not to be generalized to the whole population of the woman, but also using it as an indication. And this one is the result of the new business model canvas will be continue by
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Because of the time limitation. So in short, what I want to say here is, as you heard from the beginning from Budela, what is the pain of this business, which is the owner is Dela itself. So then we can do the research methodology with a qualitative, a deep interview, and also by the quantitative with
Okay,
questionnaire.
sorry, Pak Fadli. Time is up.
Yeah. All right. Okay, Pak.